Hey, what's up, man? Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It's once again I, Lord IBO Hards, and we're just chilling here in what is this? The San Sushi area, North Miami. It's beautiful up on this upper east side part of Miami. Yeah, I got a lot of investor friends up in here. Really nice. This is a segment of Wide World of Trade Report. My name is Lord IBO Hards, and you're watching CORP Exchange Television. Wide World of Trade Report. We're back on, we're back off, we're back on. It's 2022 May, and this segment is super active because, you know, you have focus in the Middle East, and many argue that their economy is in good shape. You know, they're big oil guys. You see the price and the war and everything with the Russia, whatever that's supposed to be. And you see that they have a stronghold or the higher ground in the energy business. New administrations in, so people are just not in the U.S. You know, they're focusing on politics around the world and in the other emerging markets, and they're willing to move forward. With that being said, you know, they're willing to move forward with what the U.S. is doing. If you look at all of the NATO's and all of the good friends of the United States of America, you know, they're just all on board. You know, the U.S. is just full throttle leading. So we're looking at this healthcare is being revamped, and that's satisfying investors as far as the financial regulation that's really like going in slow motion. But you see like a lot of Dodd-Frank regulation comes in, it comes out, and you're doing that. The U.S., from my opinion, and this is my opinion, is far still the best place to invest. Policy at the end of the day is needed to keep things going. Not heavy regulation, just stern policy. That's what makes businesses successful, because without the policy, the businesses won't be protected, and they can go out and do whatever they want and trip over themselves and cause a lot of damage in the community. It's being watched as global. You know, there's a lot of cutting. There's a lot of cutting, the spending being cut, as China was doing a few years back. Mentioned economies again: China, Venezuela, Saudi Arabia, Nigeria, New Mexico, U.S., Europe. And the question is, the signals. And when they give their signals on which way they're going to go, like you just saw, for instance, the United States just came out. I don't know who was ahead of it. I don't know who got on board with it, but we raised the U.S. economy raised their basis, half a percent, the largest in 20 years. So when other emerging markets, make their move, it upsets the market sentiment and things move. And people say, well, it's bad for this, it's bad for that, but at the end of the day, it creates an opportunity for something or somebody. The current rally in the bull market is still strong. It's still a strong trend, even though the U.S. and has a liberal, very, very liberal administration, and the markets are being aware, and they're not making excuses much more anymore. It used to be a trader's market. Now we say it's an economist's market. And you have to be owlish on the market because, the upside momentum wouldn't be happening if you didn't have these jolts. And, it's a good observation. It's good to observe the fund managers and how they behave in this environment. You're watching CORP Exchange Television. This is the Wide World of Trade Report. Wide World of Trade Report on CORP Exchange Television. My name is Lord IBO Hards. Thank you and have a very, very blessed day.